Hello. This week we'll be taking a look at 3D printing technology in China and how it can be used to advance UN Sustainable Development Goals. 3D printing, also called additive manufacturing, is a technology that creates three-dimensional objects from a digital design. A computer controls the printer, which builds the object layer by layer using materials such as plastic, metal, or resin. This process allows people to create complex shapes and custom products that are difficult to make with traditional manufacturing methods. So, who's using it in China? Many different groups use this technology. Chinese manufacturers use it to design and test new products faster. Hospitals and medical researchers use it to create custom prosthetics, dental implants, and models for surgery, while engineers, designers, and researchers at universities also use 3D printing to study new materials and create prototypes. Now, to answer the question of why would they use 3D printing, we're going to take an international company and conduct a SWOT analysis for 3D printing on its operations. So, as an example, we'll use Adidas, certainly an international company. Some strengths are faster design and testing of new shoes, the creation of custom shoes, less material waste, and new and innovative designs. Some weaknesses are printers and materials are expensive, production can slow down from this technology, and it's hard to produce at scale. Opportunities are personalized shoes made for each customer. Customers could design them themselves online, faster production close to customers, and to stay ahead of competitors with this new tech. And finally, threats are other sports brands entering into this 3D printing market, technology changing, and the high cost of implementation, as per usual with these technologies. So, our next question is, where in China is this 3D printing technology being used? In healthcare, hospitals use 3D printers to produce personalized dental ventures and other medical tools. In manufacturing and the automotive industry, companies print parts and prototypes for cars and machines. It's also used in aerospace to produce lightweight aircraft components. Geographically, the major hubs of this technology in China are Beijing, Shanghai, Guangdong, and other industrial regions that specialize in mass manufacturing. So let's put the adoption of this technology on a quick timeline. In the 2000s, 3D printing begins. We see its early industrial adoption in the 2010s. In 2014, China first starts printing with concrete for constructing buildings. From then until 2021, we see expanded industrial use and government use. And in our present day, we see it used for advanced projects, including space research and large scale industrial parts. So, to demonstrate how this technology can be useful, we're going to look at how we can apply it to some sustainable development goals. Sustainable development goal number 12 is responsible consumption and production. 3D printing uses only the material needed to build an object, which means less lean waste than traditional manufacturing. SDG 3, sustainable industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Pardon me, that is SDG number 9. And to support that goal, 3D printing encourages new tech research and advanced manufacturing in China. And for SDG 3, we have good health and well being. Hospitals can use 3D printing to make custom prosthetics, dental implants, and medical models. So, as per usual, we're going to close it out with two truths and a lie. China has used large scale 3D printers to construct multi story building structures using a concrete based printing process developed by companies such as Winsun. Researchers in China have developed experimental systems that use lunar soil stimulants and 3D printing technologies to test how structures could potentially be built on the moon and work connected to the China National Space Administration. Engineers involved in China's satellite manufacturing programs have successfully 3D printed titanium reaction wheel housings used for altitude control systems and operational communications satellites. So the lie here, this is a tough one, is number 3. Thanks for watching. As per usual, we'll be hearing from you next week.